Okay. He's issuing a challenge. Go, Politoed! Go, Politoed! Fucking brave bird. You're so brave. You're so brave. Bird used a bug move. Interesante. Oh my god, I love that little guy. He's like a good combo. Like he's grass fighting. That's what he is. His name is Asian. Send out. Boy. Asians everywhere are gonna fucking hate my guts, man. What the fuck? He can Mega? Oh my god, so creepy. And he's like, it's like he's facing the other way, and he wow, that is creepy when it's little, but it's super creepy when it's big. What? Oh. Oh. Wait. Encore, you... So bright. Smack! Except you're made of ice, dude. Oh dear. I don't think this was a good idea. How is he... Is it my imagination, or is he switching them out like a lot and easily? Fucking roost. Love that move, though. Brave bird. He really has choice specs, yo. Lost some of his HP. Go, Politoed. It just occurred to me that Politoed might be Superman in disguise. I mean, you always know who he is because he always has that curl on his forehead. Oh. The Superman likes to go in disguise a lot. So all he has to do is just put on a pair of glasses or some other accessory, you know, like a frog suit or something. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Aqua Jet. Soldier fainted. Approval. Send out Politoed. Holy shit, man. That thing is so creepy. That is what nightmares are made out of, man. Mawile back at the ranch.